This is Dennis Munguia's motorcycle. And that's Dennis.
That's me.
He's my good friend. He's painting Lorena's house. Lorena's very demanding, isn't she, Dennis?
Every time she finds something for me.
She wants something,
I'm
something.
never gonna quit working here.
I know, she just keeps him working all the time.
All the time.
Okay, I'm going to go in there and take pictures of the guys in the back. Okay, here's Lorena's living room. And there's my painting I'm working on. I'm almost finished. There's my friend Lorena. She's cooking.
I'm cooking.
She's cooking for the boys outside.
I'm cooking.
And these are brothers over here, hermanas. Every time I sat down on Lorena's chair, I broke it. So now they're fixing it.
Está grabando.
See? It's fixing the chair. Very good job. He's fixing it all up.
Hi,
Hi.
my name
What is your name?
Alex.
Nice to meet you, Alex. He's our brother.
Thanks.
He's our brother. And what is your name?
Ernesto.
Ernesto. Nice to meet you, Ernesto. This is a video. Me gusta video.
¿Gusta grabar?
Yeah. They're working hard. Hasta luego.